We've got this bed full of sweet potatoes and some bell peppers. So we're going to get the bell peppers out and we're going to start digging sweet potatoes. Let's see what we get. Ralph Man's Outdoors. We got about 9 gallons of sweet potatoes yesterday out of the small beds and grow bags. So let's see what we get out of this one. We've got some in the box, and then we've got these along this side and some on the other side, so let's gather them up and see what we've got. Well, not bad. Probably more than a 5-gallon bucket, but that gives us about 15 gallons of sweet potatoes, and I'm tired. 2-day total on sweet potatoes came out to 78.9 pounds. Ralph Man's Outdoors. That was a workout, and my knees are filthy. Anyway, we grew 2 different varieties of sweet potatoes. Your basic variety, I can't think of the name of it, plus a purple one. Susan was wanting the purple, and so I think she's even going to eat one tonight. But if you found anything helpful, if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, share it with somebody that's trying to grow sweet potatoes. We did pretty good this year. We'll have sweet potatoes for quite a while, and God is blessing us, and I ask that He bless you as well.